It melts the right way.
Agreed.
Because lots of mixed snow mixed up with the warm weather could spell disaster for our basements.
Yeah, we have been getting a lot of questions about what is covered and what is not when it comes to flooding. So we put our Matt Gephardt on the assignment for this one. Hey, Matt.
Hi, Mike Deeney. Yeah, we got lots of emails about this. Here's one we got just yesterday. It reads, why does the news constantly act as if flood insurance is a magic pill? The owners of a home whose finished basement flooded could still pay tens of thousands of dollars because of a flood. Yeah, that's exactly right. All of that snow up in them there hills is not going to stay there. And if it melts too quickly, even folks who are not in typical flood zones may still have some issues. If water does end up in your basement, do not expect help from your standard homeowners insurance policy, says Agent Becca Carlson.
Flood insurance is a different ballgame.
Different because unlike most homeowners policies, flood insurance comes from the federal government's National Flood Insurance Program. And there are two different kinds of flood insurance. There's building coverage and there's contents coverage. Building coverage covers items that are connected to power and installed. For example, an air conditioner, an electrical outlet, or your furnace or water heater. While contents coverage kicks in for other stuff that plugs in, like your washer and dryer, or maybe a spare fridge.
If I have flood insurance, would seepage be a covered claim?
Typically not. Usually it's not going to be a covered claim.
And be warned. Even with flood insurance, many people who get flooded are surprised to learn they're still on the hook for some of the repair costs. Items that are not specifically listed in the policy are not covered in a basement. For example, furniture or TVs not covered, nor is that box of family keepsakes you keep stored down there. Also not covered, the walls themselves. If your basement is finished, you will be the one paying to repair it. That's why agents say anything you can do to prevent a flood in the first place is in your best interest.
I just emphasize, because people don't think of this, keeping it away from your house. It lends to, helping people not be frustrated if they understand how things are going to work before they happen.
Now, the cost of flood insurance varies depending on how close you live to a lake or a stream that could run over its banks, but it's typically pretty affordable. If you do want it, know that it takes 30 days to kick in from the time you buy. So if you buy today and you flood this weekend, you're out of luck, guys.